Welcome. My name is Dave Shearer. This website is the public home of our work. Its physical location in March of 2020 was assembled into what we call the Truth Center that you see behind me here. For years, my wife and I have gathered research, documentation, and real-world demonstrations on the events and narratives that have shaped our world, especially since 2020. This site contains two kinds of information. First, videos, short and long form, where I explain key ideas, share evidence, and perform live public presentations and interviews. Second, a document library. Over 100 downloadable documents organized into tabs by topic so that you can verify and explore in depth. All documents are authored by us. I want to say this clearly. There is nothing for sale on this website, no paywalls, no hidden offers, and no pressure. Truth has always been freely available to us, and that's the spirit of this project. Pay it forward if you like. So here's the easiest way to begin. If you're new, start with the Watch page. It lists all platforms in one place. That's the simplest entry point. If you're the kind of person who wants to dig deeper, go into the document library and choose a tab that matches your interests. I'm not asking anyone to blindly believe anything. I'm simply offering a body of work based on lived experience, documentation, and research for your consideration. This information has kept ourselves and our family from harm. Maybe it can provide that for you as well. Either way, this information will be useful and relevant to our dear brothers and sisters, or it won't. Thanks for visiting. Truth is freedom.